In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know about the proper use of our drain snake. Clean pipes of any type with an inner diameter between 1.5 to 3 inches. Our drain snake is very popular for drains around the house, such as those in sinks, kitchen basins, showers, and bathtubs. However, we do not recommend using it for toilets or gutters. Additionally, before purchasing, make sure that some drains are equipped with non-removable covers that prevent the use of a drain snake. Now, let's get started with the application. Our drain snake easily navigates 180-degree bends, such as those found in a siphon. However, we recommend creating direct access to the pipe whenever possible. This significantly simplifies handling, especially when you need to reach several meters deep into the pipe. In the first step, flip the lever horizontally and carefully insert the spiral into the pipe until you encounter the first resistance. This resistance is most likely a pipe bend. To overcome it, pull the spiral up around 6 inches from the pipe opening and shift the lever again to the vertical position. Turn the drum clockwise and slowly push the spiral further forward. Repeat this process several times until the spiral has been advanced several meters. Never force the spiral into the pipe. You also have the option of automatic feeding. To do so, connect a cordless drill to the drill attachment on the back of the drum and start the drill in clockwise rotation. This will automatically move the spiral forward, allowing it to overcome any resistance through its rotational motion. To finish the application, simply set the cordless drill to counterclockwise rotation. This will automatically retract the spiral back into the drum. We at Meisterfactor thank you for your trust.